Today's video is going to be sorry. Today's video is going to be life of a slime scammer skit, and this is gonna be fake because I never want to do this ever in my life unless I'm very sneaky. But anyways, let's just get started. Let's go. I just got an order. Okay. Hi, slime cool girl. I want. She could have said, "May I please?" But she said, "I want." Whatever. I want one green lake slime. Thanks. Please, extras. Okay, I guess extras. I don't have green lake slime, but I do have gray lake slime, and I call it the dirt lake. So maybe she won't notice, and it's gray, so she's probably colorblind anyways. You can tell that's green. It's like a greenish, right? I think it's greenish. What do you guys think? I'm pretty sure it's green, but it's not. It's really sticky, but that's okay. That's okay. Yeah. It's not that stretchy. Oh, what? She put glitter. Let me too. She put glitter. I cannot. Glitter. You know what? I want money. I'll go do it. Oh my gosh, I just got my slime packet. And Taki's. Wait, this is not even green. And what? That's how much it costs. That's a lot of money. I don't even have that much money. Oh no, this is bad. And I didn't even want. That's gray, like slime, gray dirt. What? I think she gets scammed to me. I don't like it. I'm gonna call her tomorrow and tell her what she did. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Follow me on TikTok and Roblox. The link will be in the description down below. Bye.